Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. So right now, I'm going to invite Kalunji Nicholas, our Chief Operations Officer, to take us through our first panel, which is about mobile money agents and their challenges around Africa. Nicholas, you're most welcome.
My name is Nicholas Kalunji, and I'm the Chief Operations Officer of High People, the company behind so many digital and financial inclusion initiatives, among them the 40 Days 40 Fintechs, the Fintechs Landscape Exhibition, Women in Fintech Hackathon, Women in Fintech Summit, Women in Fintech Incubator Program, the Digital Impact Awards Africa, and this very one, the Digital and Financial Inclusion Summit. We are very happy to have you here today. Our first panel discussion is going to be around mobile money agents, their strengths and challenges across Africa. And I'm very happy that the first panel is about mobile money agents. The reason I'm very happy is about 15 years ago, mobile money was started in Africa. It started in East Africa, to be specific, in a country called Kenya, our neighbors. And the team that started the mobile money journey globally was seated in Africa, in Kenya, and it had people like Mike Joseph, it had people like Nick Hughes, it had people like Susie, but most importantly, it had Dr. Warren. So the people that invented mobile money included Dr. Warren, and Dr. Warren is among the gentlemen seated here today. So we have the people that started mobile money. To discuss the issues around mobile money, we were very strategic. We know mobile money employs mainly young people, majority of whom are usually ladies. We have a panel of 3 ladies that are doing mobile money business. They are doing it for Uganda, network to network, and cross-border. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me invite Gloria, Sanyu, and Atrinda. You are most welcome. Kindly take your seats. What started as send me airtime and I give you cash turned into actual cash. For those of you that don't know how mobile money started, the story was I need to send money to someone, but I don't have means of sending that money. Is in Masakanda, I'm in Kampala. So the idea was you buy airtime, it is converted into money. So someone buys airtime and the other person receives money. But because of people like Dr. Warren, Mike Josephs, and others, systems were developed, technologies were developed, and now you can send and receive money globally. Ladies, kindly introduce yourselves, your name, what you do, and where you work from.
My name is Sanyu Gila, a mobile money agent, Kalere Trading Center.
Thank you, Sanyu.
My name is called Tryphon Atulinda. I operate from Nansana, mainly Uganda. That's where I operate from.
My name is Mirembe Gloria, and I operate the mobile money from Makere Kavuli.
Makere Kavuli. Thank you, Gloria. I'm going to start with you. Okay. Maybe to all the ladies, the 3 ladies, briefly tell us, starting with Gloria, what inspired you to start doing mobile money agent business? Why are you doing the mobile money agent business? Gloria.
Mainly, it was about to earn a living. To earn a living in that we can survive. That's all.
All right. Kindly, why did you join mobile money?
Yeah, I joined mobile money for many reasons. One reason was by the time of joining campus, Makere, I did the whatever, I applied, but the tuition was very hard for me. My sister was the one paying me school fees, but her job was having some issues. So she told me, Tryphon, what can I give you so that you can raise your tuition? And I came up with the idea of mobile money since I was in the mobile money with my cousin. Therefore, she got the lines from someone. She didn't go to MTN Direct. She got them from someone since it was of hurry. Then I operated mobile money to raise my tuition, and I succeeded in raising tuition. I paid my tuition using mobile money, 3 years, accommodation, and everything. That was the main reason why I joined mobile money.
Wonderful. Kindly share with us.
Yeah, the main reason as to why I joined mobile money is to earn a living. The second reason as to why I joined mobile money was because when I finished Form 6, the jobs were scarce, so there were no option than joining a mobile money.
Right, thank you. Like you have heard, ladies and gentlemen, these ladies are doing mobile money for several reasons: to earn a living as a main source of employment, to raise money for paying their tuition and upkeep, among other things. That goes a long way in showing you the different benefits that come with doing this business that is largely self-employed. Now, Gloria, please speak to us. How many years have you been in business? And for the time you have been doing mobile money, how has it benefited you? How has it transformed your life?
I've been in the mobile money business in 1 and 3 months, something like that.
1 and 3 months, 1 year and 3 months?
Yes.
For that time, that short time, how has it impacted your life?
To be honest, I've earned, and that was my goal, as I said in the first question. I've earned and I've met a lot of people. If I did not kind of join the mobile money agent, I've learned to be social. I wouldn't be here, like to speak to all of these people. So I've also got that self-confidence in myself, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank
So
you.
that's it.
Like she has noted, she's earning, her self-confidence and self-esteem have improved, and she's more social, her public speaking skills have improved thanks to mobile money. Those are very good benefits for mobile money. But we all know that everything good always has another flip side to it. Maybe to hear from you, Sanyu and Atlinda. Sanyu first and Atlinda. Minus the good things you have earned, the money you have been able to get, the rent you have paid, the tuition you have paid. What are the main challenges that you are facing doing the business of mobile money?
Well, as I told you, I've been in mobile money since 2015. Have been operating mobile money up to now. I've faced a lot of challenges. From that, I also achieved of getting some outlets of mobile money. But the main challenge I got from those opening up different outlets, when you open those outlets, remember, you employ other ladies or other gentlemen. From employing them, I've faced a lot. Some they be not trained and they steal them. Sometimes when they steal them, the capital, you get limited capital, and sometimes you end up closing your outlets. In mobile money, there is a lot of fraud. They cheat, they steal you, and nowadays mobile money has deducted their commission, and once they steal you, you'll be on the line of closing the outlet, not like before. They used to steal you, like someone come and steal a lady or a boy you are using, like 1M. You'll be like, okay, it's fine. Next month I will top up. Maybe the commission will come and I top up. And so normally they used to pay us some higher commission. And you find at the end of the day or at the end of the month, you have replaced back the money they have stolen. But right now, when they steal you 1 million, automatically demo, over money you are going to close, or you don't have money you are going to pay, or that one is working for you. That is the main challenge. There are many challenges, but those are the main challenges. Some of us, we have closed our outlets because of that.
All right, kindly share with us.
In addition, on those challenges, when it comes to mistakes are inevitable. So in case, like specifically Airtel, when a mistake comes in, no syndicat sent, and you need to reverse it. When you call their line, you are an agent, but when you call, they start speaking, they don't give you Tebakuwa main person to help you. By the time they give you that person, the money is gone.
Sure.
That is the first challenge. The next challenge is poor network. Waliwo network revaako and customers lose trust from you in you. Kugamba business yonna yonna nebanga teri stable. The other challenge is higher taxes. Customers complain a lot about the taxes, that they are high. Kuba kati woba withdrawing omutwalo bakujjako nusu lukumi, which is high. Yeah, that's all.
All right, thank you. There are quite a number of challenges, like she has put. Top among them is the issue of reversals. You send the wrong number, you contact the mobile money company, and they move you around corners. By the time they address the issue, the money has already been withdrawn and you are at loss. She has talked about network, among other things. Of course, just like any other business, mobile money is not unique. It has its opportunities, but it also has its challenges. Now that some of the challenges have been mentioned, I want you ladies to speak more about those challenges in detail. Let me start with Gloria. How bad are security and fraud problems in mobile money?
I would say they are very bad, like very terrible. For instance, now let me give you an example. Waliwo owa mobile money gwe kuba. I think bamutega ne bamukuba ne bamutematema omutwe. I think you all saw the news, over?
Yes.
I don't know. But bamutega yali ne family ye mu motoka. Naye bamulumba mu motoka ne bamutematema. Kati like right ayinza oba akyali mu ddwaliro oba nga anything bad happens simanyi. But that is very bad. And then the fraud, ngenda kwongeza kucha Sanyu kye yagambye nti ba mobile money agents, I think those companies balina okusalawo nga line webeera nga ya mobile money agent, when we call batekewo a direct person gwe tuba twogera naye tugambe nti oba we need to return the money, oba this issue, oba the other issue, instead of treating us like the other people, the local ones, yeah? Kuba boy bakuba okubira ku number eri local ey'omuntu nga wa bulijjo nga si mobile money agent. Obviously era bakuteeka ku wait, you hold on, you either get the customer care password or not. So we end up losing the money. I think some of us batukozesa, we are workers of some other people. Kati tuba losing our jobs because batajja kitegeera abagamba it is your mistake, so you have to pay for it, of which sometimes tuba tetulina ezo sente zigenda sasula all of that to compensate all of that. So that means we'll be losing our jobs. And then another thing I would suggest, like not all mobile money agents, but maybe the agent banking people. Abo abantu bakwata sente nyingi. Kati olaba oyo omusajja gwe bakuba ye yali wa mobile money agent gundi agent banking. There was any mobile money partly. Naye I think those people are supposed to be given something like insurance. Like bamukuba yagenda okwesasulira hospital bills and everything. So I would say maybe babawe insurance.
Thank you. What Gloria has said very briefly is security challenges and fraud are very rampant in mobile money. She has given examples of agents that have been attacked, harmed, spent days, weeks in ICU hospitals, and others unfortunately killed. And she proposes that because mobile money involves a lot of money, they should be given better security. Maybe the telecoms should work with the security agencies to provide better security. And then differently, she also proposes a very important issue that mobile money agents need to have life and comprehensive insurance. So that if you get an accident in the middle of work, your bosses are able to help you go through the challenges. For example, if you get injured, it should be that there is some insurance for your bosses to help you. But while that is happening, I'll tell you, Gloria, as a start point, you can start your personal initiative by doing your small insurance for the bad rainy days. For instance, in the house here we have Clinic Pesa. a fintech startup from Uganda that helps you save money for times like those. So that will be a good start point for you. But eventually, you have clearly indicated that you need security. You need insurance. Thank you very much, Gloria. Going to you, Sanyo. How do network outrages and limited internet connectivity affect mobile money?
First of all, it makes you customers lose trust in you. So when they come, the network is off, they be like, whenever we come, that girl doesn't have network, and then they go to another person. The other thing is it makes you delay the customers, and no customer would like to delay. So for that, again, the customer goes, commission is low. The other thing, I think that's all.
All right, thank you very much, Sanyo. Now to you, Linda. Please make me understand. She has hinted a little about trust. In both English and Luganda, please explain to us how trust becomes a very huge problem in mobile money.
Well, trust in mobile money, it has hindered us, like mostly as who are operating in this business network. And remember, when the network is not available, remember now these days is digital things. Well, let me give you an example. Like when I get a customer on my outlet, like Airtel, mostly we get challenged with Airtel, where you go to an outlet, you start, the customer say, I want to withdraw like 10,000, just say you initiate. After initiating, remember we have to wait for that code to come to operate. And remember that code is having like over 2 seconds, I don't know. And in that process, you'll be like you operate. And when you are operating with your system as in to get touch in the time when they are sending that code, you also put and give out the money. The network problem also, when the network is not clear, that message delays. And when it delays, the system of saying you repeat the transaction at the time the customer normally say, she gets nagged, I was like, let me go to another outlet. And then for that one, lets that customer to lose trust in you, be like, when I go to that girl, when I go to that outlet, they normally been with no age, no network. She's slow, of which you are not slow. It's a network that is letting you to be slow. So I'm requesting wechikwatako mutu as in that network to be mutu improving mu network in that tuleko losing our customer bafe. And remember, when you lose a customer, commission eba low. And when commission is low, katoba toina na sente zokusasula abaana abakukolera. Remember ka bobango losing aba customers nga ofuna at the end of the month no ofuna like 500. Remember, you have to pay rent, you have to pay omuntu akukolerako, nosanga nawe nga toina kyofunyemu ng'omuntu ezokola zowa bano landlord go rentingako zokola zowona akukolera. Now at the end of the day osanga kiko affecting nga abaana b'olusi tebasomye, nga ne waka nga toyinaayo za kulya obanga n'okulya kuchenjinga waka. Ate nekirala kutrustinga. The network also can let us not be trusted in the business. Ne olusi oyinza okuba ng'okola customer nga MTN nga amaze okukola transaction n'omugamba kati network webanga teri clear. Now n'omugamba, have you received the message, have you put the pin, have you approved? Nakugamba yes, I've approved. N'omugamba nze sinabafuna message ya approve. Nga bw'omugamba please kandabe eyo message tulabe, kandabe eyo message tulabe oba sente zivuddeyo. Nagano jukira mmwe mwinabo advert bwe mwateeka ku social media and everything. Amugamba towa agent esimu yo tomuwa pini yo. Kati nagamba kirabika woono omuntu gwe batugambako bulunaku bwe muwe essimu agenda kubba sente zange sigenda jimwe. Naye ate gwe nga you want to approve oyagala kulaba oba sente zivuddeyo eyo message. Kati eyo lako that poor network bwe mugendawo mu nkaayana oluusi agamba oyo omubbi olaba yansabye essimu yange sigenda agendayo ku outlet ye kati n'oluzinga that trust network nekuluzinga oyo customer n'agendera ddala n'agenda awalala n'ekirala kati nga network kati ng'ejjo teyabaddewo n'oggalawo n'ogamba kasita network teriiwo kangende ewaka kati oli bw'aba avudde mu tawuni ng'oluusi atera okukolera ku outlet yo n'ajja leero n'asanga ng'ogaddewo lwakuba network n'akomawo ne next time n'asanga ogaddewo agamba sijja kuddamu okugendayo wali eri kubanga ye nsanga agaddewo oluusi network mwe ababa batuleetedde okuluzinga that customer that trust agamba oyo omukyalo oyo bwe ngendawo aba agaddewo nekirala ne mukyalo kati nze nva ntungamu eyo down eyo gyenva oluusi bw'oba ogenze kujjayo ssente balina obufo bw'oyimirirako n'ogamba yimirira wano waliwo network tega essimu awo wensindika message tegaawo esimu bw'okyenjinga tetugenda funa message mangu kati ng'olina okuyimirira awo oluusi oba tomanyi yakulagiridde okuyimirira n'ogamba akamessage kazze kanteekemu pini bw'oteekamu pini oluusi asendinga message noneerwawo okujja n'agamba okyenjinze kati olabe balina obufu bwe bateeka essimu kati bw'oba osanga nga network webanga teri kiriyo gamba bannange nkooye kangende kati enkeera oyinza okuba ng'ovaayo ng'ojja mu tawuni esente zewandigiddeyo mu kyalo n'ozigirayo mu tawuni kati olaba oli obwaluzinze kasitoma ne komishoni ye bwegenze ate awo trust naye gamba wemba nzizeyo oli omulenzi oyo talina network ako outlet ye jjukira baakugamba stand here teeka wano essimu balina obudirisa bw'oteeka essimu n'oteekamu pini n'ayimirira n'agamba nosanga nga most mobile money agents nga naddala abo mu kyalo down there mutungamu eyo rohama eyo tebalina network.
Thank you very much, Atlinda, for that well-detailed and well-researched submission. To our English-speaking audience, all she said was trust is everything in a business. And for mobile money agents, it's very key. Now, she says trust in mobile money is mainly affected by factors that are not trust. Factors like network challenges, that when the network is down, a customer will say, I have withdrawn, you haven't received the message. The agent hasn't received. So the agent can't cash out because she hasn't received the message. The customer will be agitated because for him or her, he or she believes he completed the transaction. So she asks that all stakeholders, the central bank, the telecoms, the banks, everyone should do their part to ensure that all the other factors that erode trust are fixed. Thank you very much, Atlinda. To you, Gloria. We know you need capital to run these businesses, but we're also aware that capital is one of the biggest challenges in Africa, mainly for small businesses and startups. Make us understand, paint a picture of what are the implications of limited financial resources for mobile money agents working in rural areas in Africa.
Very well said, rural areas. I would like to say, in rural areas, if you don't have capital, nga capital wa mutini nyonyo. Waliwo katinga wagambia, this lady wagambia, inti wabera ngo ina capital mutini, sobola okujja nga njagala withdrawinga 1M. Nga tojina. Obviously, I will be like, nida, oyo, omulenzi oba omwala taina tabela na cash, oba tabela na floats, nga amala, nze gwe mba njagala depositinga, oba sente ze mba njagala withdrawinga. Obviously, abajja losinga customer, of which commission wajja beera mutini, obviously, business ejja kushatinga down.
True.
So that is it.
Yes, I shall say that minus trust, lack of capital is another elephant in the room for one simple reason. Whenever they don't have capital, which they call a fraud or another word, someone can come to withdraw $100 and she can complete the transaction, but she doesn't have cash. So that person will go. The implication of that is she will not do business, she will not get commission, she will not be able to pay her rent, she will not be able to live her life, and in the end, the entire ecosystem will be destabilized. That's a submission. Thank you very much, Gloria. Now to you, Sanyo. Yes. We know mobile money is largely free entry and free exit, but also aware that most businesses need some good training to be run properly. Make us understand, how does limited access to training affect the entire ecosystem?
Well, first of all, lack of training may lead to fraud.
Sure.
In case you come in mobile money, there's a lot of fraud. So wajja ngoze toina training, oli ajja akuwa ekichupuli, jukira you've entered the business, you have no training, maybe you have no idea, but you've come to earn a living. Agenda kuwa ekichupuli, bebano abatukubira essimu n'akugamba simanyi ateekako ssente, kwegamba oba mwangu okubbibwa.
True.
The other thing is, in case of that fraud, there is no solution you can give out. Kati nze kyantuukako cause nava ku ssomero nengenda I joined mobile money nga nakavayo batu ku ssomero. So omusajja najja nampa ssente nga teziwera. When I sent the money, namanya luvannyuma nti kubulako emitwalo 5. Kati we namanya nti ate maze zisindika, ate nemukubira nga njagala mugamba aleete ssente, ekyanyamba teyakwata ate teyazijjaako. So it took me 3 hours abaawo okufuna agent bank anyambeko kola ki to reverse the money.
Sure.
Yeah, that is the problem. Pozi n'ekirala ekisembayo, woba toyina training, mistakes come on, zijja mangu, yeah, you know? Woba toyina training, you have no idea about mobile money.
Yes, Sanyu has clearly indicated that away from limited training, away from trust, the issue the issue of training agents is very important, because if you are not trained, you make a lot of mistakes along the way. She gave herself as an example, indicating that she joined mobile money with very limited training, and among her first transactions, she could fail to balance the books, send money that is not what she has received, and end up making losses. She believes that training is very key, and I'm very happy that you have said this when you have most of the ecosystem stakeholders, including Bank of Uganda regulator. I see MTN Momo, I see Airtel Money, I see Easy Money. Flavia, how are you? The ladies are saying that on the billions of profits that you make, reserve a huge sum of it to training. Because if you don't train the players in the system, at the end of the day, you'll be shooting yourselves. We thank you. Ladies, kindly, I have told you Bank of Uganda is here. The players are all here. In just 1 minute, each one of you should say what is on your heart, what must be done to improve the mobile money system. Be candid, be open, be free and honest. Gloria.
Thank you. Nze nandigambye nti maybe to our problem of training, yes, nga ogambye, let them sensitize the public. Some people don't know how to even use the banks, yeah? Be the mobile money. Now these days, abantu batya okuteeka sente zaabwe ku bank. And you see it in the news, yeah? Bagamba bank simazi babba bichi. But then if you sensitize them about how to do that, oba nemubajjamu your fear, egamba nti sente zaffe bajja ziba, because time back they had trust in you guys. Balina your trust nga sente zaabwe baziteeka bulungi ku mobile money, nga baziteeka bulungi mu bank, naye kati akasigaza n'akatereka wansi wa pilo n'agamba no, there is no way gye ngenda okugenda nteeke sente zaabwe mu bank. By the end of the day ngenda ozijjayo kuzi-withdrawing nga sisobola funa wadde n'ekikumi. And then another thing, yes, about the poor infrastructures, mainly about in the rural areas. Nga this lady has said, ntinera batega butezi kasimu, bichi. So, nze ngamba bandi improvize the infrastructures. Oba kutekayo milongoti ne muzitekayo in that network.
All right.
That's it.
Thank you. She says a lot of efforts must be put in investment in infrastructure and more resources put into sensitization. Sanyu, please.
Yeah, the first thing I'm to talk about is the commission. Bana commission should be increased. Tosobola kola mobile money nowadays ngeyimiridde ngesobola sasula rent omukozi esasule nawe kusasule. Tusaba ddala MTN eyongeze ku commission ne Airtel. The other thing is maybe on the issue of security, apart from okutekawo insurance, maybe nga wola baba neno abatuletera float najja awokolera nakwa float, maybe batekawo ba agent abalala bapicking up the cash oregulo wetuba tunyuka bagendenga naye abeere safe so that otambula nga oli free nga toli mukwekweka ate sente ate bagenda kukuba, you know.
Sure.
Yes, the last thing should be on the float allocations. Airtel, please. You osaba float. Naye ne batwala eddakiika 15 to approve it. Yet ogenda omusaba nga customer already aba ayagala musindikira oba sente. So that should be improved.
Thank you very much, Sanyu. I shall say several things, but my takeaway are: one, commission to agents must be increased. Otherwise, they are running out of business. Inflation has increased, cost of everything has increased. It doesn't make a lot of business sense if whoever allocates commission doesn't adjust to the realities of the market. Those were her views. To you, at Linda, kindly, what do you want the ecosystem players to do to make the mobile money business safer but even more profitable?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
A lot has been said by my colleagues, but what I can add on is mainly on M-Pesa in Africa. Yes. Some of us, we are using M-Pesa, but the challenge we are getting, people outside there, they don't know about M-Pesa. And less people are using. It is useless, or it doesn't make sense, or techikola makulu nga nina M-Pesa ate my friend doesn't have M-Pesa. Novemba nga njina nga manyi the good things about M-Pesa atoli nga tajimanyi chiringa chino MTN Momo Pay. The way how you're advertising MTN Momo Pay as in techikola makulu nga buli omu tajina buli omu alina okufuna M-Pay. Ne M-Pesa you should also advertise, you should sensitize us. Because sigamba nti buli kimu kimanyi nange neetaagako some information about it. Sure. Mutuyigirize mukole some conference mutaikeko bu advert buli reya kubulaba kuba ate M-Pesa it is good kubanga techarginga singa abantu bagimanyi bandibadde nga gye beettanira nnyo okusinga ne mobile money. Kwa mobile money ebitaxi ezo ze bachoppingako ku Safaricom M-Pesa tekiriyo ate kyemanyi twandikyagadde nnyo okusinga ne mobile money MTN and Airtel. That is my main issue.
Thank you. So in very many words she has said that one, telecoms, mobile money companies should invest more resources in advertising cross-network transactions. She used M-Pesa as an example. And she's saying the same way MTN Momo is aggressively pushing Momo Pay, they should use the same effort and energy to push cross-border transactions, because that's how we shall enable financial inclusion. Those were her remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly allow me appreciate our panelists today. Very well articulated, very smart, and are very good at time management. We have had Gloria, we have had Sanyu, and at Linda. Ladies, kindly move out for a group photo. We have been very happy to have you. Thank you very much.